everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diane and I'm super duper thrilled. I'm getting spring fever. I'm so happy. I'm thrilled that you could be here with me today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Dong, dong, dong. I'm gonging it. I'm gonging. Gong. You know, do it. Can't hurt. Can only make your life better. I swear it is awesome to be here with me. You know, because I'm not conceited or self-centered at all, right? No. So anyway, so my husband went to get Madison. That's why I keep looking outside. I'm so excited because today she's coming home for school for 4 months. I'm so happy. I'm going to have all my babies except for one in the house, and I'm super duper happy. So be expecting to see her in a lot more videos because she can do a whole bunch with me. So now today we are doing the Allure Beauty Box. Mine's a bit late because, you know, in Canada it takes a longer time for me to go and get it and so on. So Allure is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it comes with full or deluxe samples. You get 5 and then a bonus of 1 or 2, but from what I understand, most people say you generally get 7 pretty much consistently, but don't count on it. 5 to 7, and the box is normally worth $50. The first box is $10, and then thereafter it is $15. It has free shipping, so basically $10 for first, $15 every month thereafter. And there is a link down below if you would like to use it. And I have not been disappointed. I've only done this, it's my third one. I did 2 and I actually quite liked it, so I'm definitely not disappointed. So Allure Beauty Box, May theme, beauty innovations, 7 game changers. Does that mean there's 7? This is April's box though, right? I'm confused. Right? This is... Are they giving me next month theme? Do you think that's what that is? I don't know. There's some kind of scratchy off. Oh yeah, this is... Let's scratch it. Let's see what it is. I have no idea, but how can I not scratch it, right? Well, that doesn't work. I don't even know how to scratch. Nails. Let's see, are we gonna get something good next month? Like, I don't know, but something good. Why am I scratching this? I don't want to know what I'm getting. But I don't understand. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Is this the whole box? Ooh. Oh. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of stuff on there. I just made a terrible mess of everything. I'm assuming... I don't know. I'm not going to read too much into it because I don't want to know. So we also get a beauty box book, like a little magazine that tells us the prices, what the items are, and certain people that work there, famous people, whatever, have chosen items in here and for the reasons that they did. So that's basically how this works. Ooh, I see something in the front that I'm really liking. There you go. Got hair all over it. That works for me. Okay. I love these bags, actually. They are so amazing, and I can just think of traveling, you know, putting your toothbrush and whatever in this. These are good because I always use Ziploc bags, but I'm thinking these would be good. So I'm going to pull out the first thing, which is like a little card I'm going to assume is a sample, because it's definitely not a big thing. This is organic tan infused cloth for face and body. What? It says that it works up to 10 days for 1 application, and this is a full body amount. I won't be using it. Sorry. I'm not really into self-tanning. The one and only time I did it, I looked really, really weird, like blotchy all over. But it's cool. And it's for one use, so Maddie will definitely get use out of that, not me. Nope. I'm making it sound like I don't like it. It's just not something that I would personally use. But it's still cool. I've never heard of that, but then again, it's not something I would have heard of because, like I said, I don't self-tan. But this brand name I have. This is Briogeo Farewell Frizz. Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Don't really blow dry my hair, but sometimes. Okay, so this is something you put in your hair and you can towel dry, blow dry it says. And it will make it frizz-free. Smells delicious, actually. I didn't even put it on and I'm sniffing my hand like a dumbass. Oh, it does. Actually, it has the same, if you've ever had the spray, it smells the exact same. I like that smell. I actually put it on at night after I wash my hair and it kind of like relaxing. Almost like lavender. It's pretty nice. So the Briogeo, very happy about that because I got some tangly hair. The next thing we have is, there we go. This has got some pretty decent stuff in it, you guys. This is all new to me, so you know. I mean, this is just $15. That's crazy. Anyway, this is Natasha Denona Mono Eyeshadow. I don't know. It's the regular size is $27 because I'm going to assume this size is not. I didn't tell you the other stuff. For the regular size Briogeo, it's $24, and for 8 packets, this one only has 2. It's $25 or $39 for a pack of 16 of the tanning doodaddy dingerjiggers. Okay. I don't know what the name is. I'm missing something. I'm sure it's here somewhere and I'm just not seeing it. So anyway, like I said, this is, oh, look at the cover. Oh, that's cute. That is super cute. Let's swatchy that because Diane is keeping it. Look at that. Oh, that is damn. That's nice. I like it. And I like the packaging. It's so nice. Abaid, 126K Abaid. I mean, that's what it says. I'm just 126K Abaid. I'm not sure what that means, but I guess that might be the name of it. I like it a lot. So I'm happy with that. A lot. Okay, and the next thing is, wow, this is something I won't open because I'm not sure. I have so many already. Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyelining Pencil. Put that down there. And this is $22, and this is definitely full size. Right? Oh. This is green. It's green. It's Green River. Yeah, we most certainly won't be opening that because I'm not sure we'll ever be using green. Not that it's not cool. And I have a feeling my daughter's going to love it. But yeah, I don't do green. I don't know. For some reason, I always thought it clashed with my eyes because my eyes are blue and it always made them look kind of weird. This is really cool. There's that. It is a Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush, which I've been wanting for a long time. Rose gold. And this is $12. and it is nice. And I have been wanting this exact size because I have the bigger type, but I don't have this size. So strangely and ironically, the only brush that I've been thinking I need, this one. So that works out awesome. Into there it goes. Yep, I'm keeping it. And last but certainly not least is, oh my goodness, this was upside down, I couldn't see it. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in pure Hollywood. $20. This is worth more than $50 because it, this is like a pinky brown. Not a big fan of that color. But if I decide I don't want it, it would definitely be, why can't I get in it? How do you get in it? Oh, I did it. I did. Oh yeah, that's brown. That is stunning. The packaging, it feels heavy. It's so beautiful. And I really wish I would keep it, but I know I won't use it because that is most certainly not a color that I would wear. So I am going to put that in a giveaway, which I think is good. I wish I could wear it. Why didn't they give me red or berry colored or something, something? Damn. Do these guys, I don't know, I don't even know, do these guys like, does everybody get the same thing? I don't know, because I've never watched anybody open these because I never got it before. So it's not something I watch. One girl. I watch one. And I have a bad memory, as we all can tell, totally. I mean, I'm sitting here trying to remember her name, and yeah, I can't. And I should be able to, but I can't. So we've got this, we've got this, the gorgeous Luxie brush, the eyeliner, and the tanner for $15. And if it was your first month, it was only $10. Yep, I'm happy. So this is 2 thumbs up. There isn't anything in here that I don't think is a good product. I will not wear green eyeliner. And I don't sell 10, but that doesn't mean that they're not good products. They're just, you know, and this color is not mine. But that's the mystery. That's the excitement. You get some things that you like and some things you can pass on and share, because I don't like it doesn't mean you don't like it, right? And everything I get never goes to waste. So I'm very happy this month with this. Yay! Very good, very good, very good. I actually liked everything. Thought it was all nice. Fancy. I got my money's worth this month. Darn sure. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Yep, don't forget. Really, seriously. I even made this video less than 15 minutes. So you should really, really be happy because normally they're 30. I'm going to say bye.